Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 1st July. On the front page you have this news, Karnataka decides to challenge Kaveri Water Authority in Supreme Court. So this is regarding Kaveri Water dispute. Supreme Court has already given its verdict modifying the tribunal award, and now Karnataka is going to again challenge it in Supreme Court. So this is the present development. Then next is Punjab withdraws contentious legislation. So this is a legislation of Punjab in which it had proposed life imprisonment for sacrilege of Guru Granth Sahib. So this has been withdrawn now. Then in regional news on page 8 you have this news, PSLV bags first Australian order. So this is important. Then on page 9 you have this news, monitoring government schemes in real time. So this is Disha dashboard which is proposed by the government to help legislators, local officials make data-driven decisions. So this is an initiative in e-governance as such too. Then on page 11 you have this news, India backs FATF grey listing of Pakistan. So this was the news yesterday, and India's viewpoint on this, that how this is a good initiative so that Pakistan government takes action against the terrorists which are wanted by, as such in India as such too. So here then, because of this grey listing by FATF for Pakistan, getting international funding from organizations like IMF would become difficult. So there will be conditions as such on that too. Then on Sunday you have this page, who, what, why, when, where. So the important news for us today, this is regarding what is yo-yo test for cricketers. So this is fine. It's another version of beep test to check their stamina as such for getting runs. And what is important is this, why are these protests over a highway? So this is regarding protests going on in Tamil Nadu, and the article talks about how protests have been going on. Public protests in Tamil Nadu on various issues like Anjali Kattu, then on issue of including the Kaveri water dispute as such, then also on the neutrino observatory which is proposed in the state. So such protests have been going on. The latest one was regarding the Sterlite factory. So these protests, now there is a protest on highway land acquisition which is taking place for that. So this is covering that. Then on this page, this is a article on plastic ban as such, and how it is praising Sikkim, the initiative which has been taken because public awareness is more important. Convincing the public to give up plastic usage is more important than bringing in bans. So such discussion is there. So if you have covered enough on plastic waste, you can skip this too. Then on page 14, science and technology, you have the news which is important is regarding this cow. Astronomers puzzled by cow in the sky too. So this is a phenomena, bright spot which has been observed. So which has been named cow, not for the animal but for the acronyms, the initials which are used, so letters which are used. So it comes to cow. So that is fine. Apart from that, on the next page too, you have this news regarding TB. So if you have done enough of coverage on TB, it's fine. Otherwise, you should know about what is MDR TB, XDR TB, the drugs which are there, what is the status of drug availability in India. We have covered it quite often over the last year. So this is again a coverage on that issue only. Then on Sunday, you have this Metro supplement in which there is international news coverage. So this is India on Gulf outreach as injured Yemeni soldiers ready to fly. So India's outreach in this war going on in Yemen by the Saudi coalition. So this is important. And this is a year on, GST gears up for a long haul. So this is regarding how GST has fared over the year and over the months is shown here. So you can go through this. Then on the last page, page 14, you have Korean mountain temples, Japan's Christian sites added to UNESCO list. So this is regarding the UNESCO World Heritage Site status being accorded to various sites from India to even the Mumbai Art Deco has been accorded the World Heritage Site status. So this is important. So these are the important headlines from the newspaper today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for a current affairs course, the details of which are provided here. Thank you.